Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine in your houses. I am also fine, students. Okay, in accountancy, we are going to complete the second lesson. The last heading we are going to learn treatment of incomes and expenses pertaining to specific fund. Some special fund they will have. Okay, prize fund or tournament fund. Okay, so this fund will appear in the balance sheet, and on the liability side this will appear. Okay, so what we have to do, that some receipt will be there. They may receive some donation or any receipts will be there pertaining to this specific fund, prize fund, special or specific fund. Okay, tournament fund. Okay, so any receipts or any interest, any income, in common, any income will be added along with the fund. Okay, and any expenses will be deducted. Okay, any expenses related to that fund will be deducted from that amount, and sometime they will invest this amount, price fund investment. This will appear in the asset side, in the asset side. Okay, that's all. Very simple, only like subscription. We have to write in the only one item will we have to treat. That's all. Okay, let us see one example. Okay, how will the following appear in the final accounts of a club for the year 2017-18? Prize fund. Okay, fund there. Prize fund investment, the interest received on prize fund investment, prices distributed, donation received for prize fund. So this will appear only in the balance sheet. You see, prize fund, first one prize fund, that we should write here, prize fund. Next, second one prize fund investment, that we should write in the asset side. Then any interest received, any income we should add. Okay, income. Then donation received, that also should be added. Only prices distributed is an expenses that should be deducted. Okay, seventeenth problem, that one, balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Okay, liabilities, assets. Sometimes we have to write both the side. Okay, in this problem we have to do only on the debit side. First one, match fund 24,000. Okay, then add receipts 26,000. Add, we will get 50,000 less expenses 33,000. If we deduct, we will get 17,000. Okay, then 18th problem. How will the following appear in the final accounts of Karaikudi Sports Club for the year ending 31st March 2019? Particulars, rupees. Tournament fund on 1st April 2018, 90,000. Tournament fund investment on 1st April 2018, 90,000. Interest received on tournament fund investment, 9,000. Donation to tournament fund, 10,000. Tournament expenses, 60,000. Here that one match fund, here tournament fund. That is special fund. Okay, specific fund. Specific purpose they are having. This fund is for the match, for conducting test match. Okay, for that purpose they are receiving that receipts, and they spend for that match fund. Here you see tournament fund, in the beginning 90,000. This should be shown on the liability side. Then investment should be shown on the asset side, tournament fund investment. Interest received on tournament fund investment, we should not add along with the investment, we should add along with the fund only. Okay, 9,000. Donation to tournament fund, 10,000. Tournament expenses, 60,000. We will see how it is done. First write the number, then write the heading, balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Write in a single line. Okay. Then tournament fund first. The liabilities side we can write here. Okay, liabilities. Here assets. Then rupees. There in your book you will have two pages. You will use 2 pages, and each page 2 amount column will be there. You can write rupees there. Okay. So first fund we should write liabilities side. Second one, tournament fund investment, that should be written on the asset side. Then add interest received on tournament fund investment 9,000. Then add donation to tournament fund 10,000. When you add 1,09,000, then we should deduct the expenses. Tournament expenses. Simply expenses we can write 60,000. We will get 49,000. Okay. That I will explain one more thing, that the calculation of capital fund. Computation of capital fund. Nothing, it is just preparing the balance sheet, and we have to find out that difference amount. That difference amount will be the capital fund. Okay, that is the opening capital, closing capital we will calculate. No, this one is the closing capital. Okay, that is called the capital fund. If it is a trading organization, we can write as that one opening closing capital. But here it is called capital fund. Okay, you see, furniture, buildings, subscription outstanding, subscription received in advance, loan borrowed, investments, cash in hand, cash at bank. So furniture will be coming on the asset side, furniture. Then buildings, 40,000. Subscription outstanding, that is asset. Subscription received in advance, liability. Loan borrowed, liability. Investment, asset. Cash in hand, cash at bank. Okay, all asset. Now find out the difference, that will be capital fund. Okay. Here one problem there that we will do. Up to 18th problem only they have. Simply I will teach you this one. Okay. Compute capital fund of Salem Sports Club as on 1/4/2019. Sports equipments, computer, this one asset, isn't it? Computer assets. Subscription outstanding 1819. So it is outstanding. This one outstanding we have to write on the asset side. Subscription received in advance for 1920, this one next year's. So it is a liability. Then price fund, liability. Price fund investment, asset. Cash in hand, cash at bank. What shall we do? Okay, this 19. Balance sheet. One four 2019. Okay. This one assets. This side liabilities. Assets. Sports equipments. 30,000. Computer, 25,000. Subscription outstanding, 5,000. Subscription received in advance, 8,000. Price fund. You can write in order, okay? No need to write here and there. We may miss any item. So in order of the problem you can write, okay? Price, not that Z, okay? Price fund, 10,000. Price fund investment, 10,000. Cash in hand, 7,000. Cash at bank, 21,000. So which side more? Asset side, isn't it? So write that amount first. Add and write. 30, then 8. 8 plus 10, 18. Balance 1, 3, 4, 6, 9. 98,000. Okay, now capital fund. The remaining, the balance item, capital fund. Balancing figure, 98,000. 008. Here 1 plus 8, 9. So 80,000 is the capital fund. Okay, up to 18 only available. Simply I got taught you this one also, because now I cannot take the next lesson also. In the next class I will teach you the next lesson. Okay, the remaining problems, let it be if the school reopens, okay, earlier, then we can do. Otherwise I will teach you tomorrow the next lesson. Okay students, so you have to learn this problems. Okay, you do these problems and see. If you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, thank you students.